the choice. Dr. Mehak Burza's English translation of an Urdu poem by the late Anwar Nadeem. You have got breath, you can live. You have got eyes, you can cry. Whether you win or lose, the beatings of the heart are stack up happiness. Still, you should know this much. O people of my era, ask your heart, think. What will the coming generations ask of you? Think. Dear people of my era, stop, be cautious, wake up and think. That coming generations will be proud of you is a possibility. Yet they can tell you this. You have created them. You are the real enemy. You have slain them. You have poisoned them. You have diverted the troubled storms by your fraudulent guileless. You have broken the mirror of dreams that shone bright. You have left your children midway. The coming generations will declare you as their murderer. You have got breath, you can live. You have your eyes open, you can cry. Thank you. Thank you.